and senseless.
Why do you want to bring disgrace to this honorable home?
This is very surprising to me.
Father, is this how the royal bridal contest used to be? These girls lack moral value. They have no form of love amongst them. And to be honest, my king, I do not find any of them fit to be the future queen of this kingdom.
I hope you are not coming from my house. Stay away from my daughter. She is going to be the next queen of this great land.
I don't see anybody in the whole of Abamike kingdom that has what it takes to rival the prince with me.
He said you should come and see the beauticians that the God selected for you. None
of us will sleep tonight until you find my son.
So as long as you cannot help me become the queen of this kingdom, then you have nothing to offer.
And you know the gods cannot lie.
Father, I think this time they lied.
If na Yoruba man na, he go say, Emiloka, na me reach to do this thing.
My son did not eat last night. You know, say to slap you though the hungry me since.
In my capacity as the Ezeonu, I am only but a messenger for the gods.
Zube, you are not the father of my unborn child. And you will never be.
This will never happen.
You know where you are?
This is Nollywood Pictures TV.